Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Apple iPhone 16 Pro. For that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, and in between the cable you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it, and yeah, otherwise by the way you can use also of course the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. On the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. So just enter this hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. And this SIM tray is able to insert one nano SIM card. So you need to place it like this. So the contacts they are on top here. And yeah, at the SIM tray there's a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM card. And the contacts, as I've said, they are on top. Okay, if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot after. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can use also a second SIM card, but this is just available with an eSIM profile. So just ask your provider for that. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.